In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to Typeform. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a crisp image into your form without any confusion. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open Typeform and head to your workspaces. This is the central hub where all your forms live, organized by different projects or teams. If you happen to have multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the right one that contains the form you want to edit. Before diving into the process, it's also a great idea to have your image file ready on your computer. This way you can upload it in one smooth go without any interruptions. Now, once you're in the correct workspace, open the form you want to modify. You might be working with a fresh template or an existing survey. Whatever the case may be, click on the form to enter the editor. When you're inside the builder, think about where the image will add the most value to your form. Images can work wonderfully as welcoming visuals at the top of your form, as supporting content positioned before a question, or even as a simple visual brand accent between various sections of your survey. So consider the purpose of your form and find the best spot for your image. In the editor, take a look for the option that's labeled Image or Video. You'll notice a plus icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that plus to add an image block to your form. Typeform will insert this block right where your cursor is positioned, so before you hit that plus, ensure that your cursor is exactly in the spot where you want the image to appear. And here's a little pro tip. If you happen to change your mind after adding the block, fear not. You can always move it around afterward. However, choosing the correct location from the get-go can save you a bit of time later on. So, once the image block appears, choose the Upload option. This will open up a file picker window from your computer. At this point, simply select the image you want to use. Common formats like JPG and PNG tend to work best. For optimal results, I recommend picking a clear, high-resolution file that isn't overly large. Why? Because you want your form to load quickly for your respondents. Keep in mind that clean, uncluttered images with good contrast generally present the most professional look and can help minimize distractions for your audience. Once you've confirmed the file for uploading, Typeform will upload it and place it right into your form. You should see your image pop up in the editor immediately. Now, take a moment to check out how it looks within your layout. Make sure it doesn't overwhelm the question text and feels consistent with your overall brand style. If the image feels too busy or distracting, consider using a simpler version or cropping it externally before uploading to Typeform. This way, the focus of your form stays on the content and the questions that matter. A quick tip: adding descriptive question text near the image can greatly enhance clarity and accessibility, thus improving the overall user experience. And don't forget to preview your form on both desktop and mobile views. This helps ensure that your image scales nicely and keeps the form snappy and user-friendly. Lastly, if you're collaborating with others on this form, remember to name your image files clearly. This practice will make future updates much easier to handle. That's it. You've successfully added an image to your Typeform quickly and easily. Thanks for watching and happy form building. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.